Hey guys, welcome to Fun Fact Friday. And we're going straight in with the fun facts. So today's fun fact is my cat is the cutest thing in the world. Look at him. Look at his little face. I know he might just look like a black blob on the bed, but he isn't. No, he isn't. You can see me snuggle him. That's how I snuggle my cats. No. Who's a cute little baby that says meow? Yes! Well, sorry if I caught his, you know what, his butt. Oh, there goes the little thing. Come here. I'm just gonna hold the little baby. You can listen to the cuteness. Listen, listen. Do the thing for my fans. Come on, do it. Do it. Don't make me squeeze you. I'm squeezing you. I'm literally holding you like a 6-year-old would do with a teddy bear. There you go. You did it. Oh, I love you. I don't know if you guys heard that, but he went, so cute. Now on to my room. Those are my socks. And one time I thought this was my cat, but it wasn't. So we're also doing another bookshelf tour. Not another bookshelf tour. I don't remember you. Where did you come from? Oh, I have a good fun fact for next week. Crap, crap, crap. Crap, 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 crap. Woo! Me. Oh my God. Are you ready to hear a song of beauty? The song of beauty. It will call all animals in the wild right to you. It's just like Cinderella. Before we leave off, here. You can see part of my arm right there. So, see you next Friday. I'll probably see you again today.